California law requires landlords to provide and maintain safe, habitable living spaces for their tenants. When they fail to do so, they may be held financially responsible for your medical bills, lost income, pain and suffering, and other damages. However, proving fault and holding a negligent landlord accountable in Porterville may require the help of a personal injury attorney. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured as a result of unsafe living conditions in Porterville, contact Maison Law right away. You don't even have to walk out your front door to be injured by someone else's negligence in Porterville. Unsafe living conditions like lacking clean running water, air contamination from mold, or exposure to lead or asbestos can cause serious harm right inside the home. Children, seniors, and people living with chronic health conditions are especially vulnerable to these hazards.